How to turn off two-factor authentication in Facebook. Open Facebook application and make sure to sign into your account. Then tap on three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. On this menu page, tap on gear icon at the top of the screen. On the settings and privacy page, select see more in account center. Scroll and under account settings, select password and security button. Here you just need to select two-factor authentication. Then choose your Facebook account. So once you select your Facebook account, then you have to set the two-factor authentication, and once you have set it, you just have to select which two-factor authentication you want to turn off, whether it is on the text message or any other. So here I have selected the text message. Once you have selected the text message, you just have to tap on the turn off button, and once you have to tap on turn off button, your two-factor authentication will be turned off and your account will be no longer have an extra layer of protection. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.